Kadon kanyi penpainia pedang uba Ardent milam saimoj Myntri no Khlem buat tidang ba kajila kontrak isang ma hakai bedai bagi jingkli kebalwan ra do Myntri marun kini kalong hadin ba Myntri ketenan Community and Rural Development Block ba sotun sotun simal aban agi Jubab kebas penhun hakaba nakaleng ba Ardent wa kentha ba Myntri simawan syaka dorba dak ba Pynkhreh wa halokani Handai ho kani nakaleng bitang ba ong ba kamdai kamta kumbal ong ba Ardent handai ong ba kani ki jingkli ki adai sibun ki men nak takadaw nakaleng Myntri umla ban Pynkhreh ba bat kadon kam ban bentuklan o nama ki hap sibun ki department syai kani nakaleng Myntri maru keneng la bu jingkli hal kumno bat ki agency ki ba lalap bagi jingduna jong ki haka social auditing haba pelong ki judge kim ba pero haka jilla
that there are irregularities in their implementation of different schemes, sir. We want to know exactly. We want to know from the minister. It seems that this question, it doesn't require the chief minister to come for his rescue, sir.
Beyond the questions that have been asked for the CNRD department. So therefore, if you look at, and if you heard my reply, sir, I was very clear in my reply. I mentioned that there are schemes under the CNRD, and then there are schemes outside CNRD which are being audited. Then there are certain guidelines of the Government of India which require us to audit certain schemes. And then we came out with our own act in 2017. In fact, when the leader of opposition was the chief minister, this very, very great and wonderful scheme and act came out. Not scheme, I'm sorry. Act came out. And today, as I said, many of the other schemes beyond central government's mandate are also being audited. So this is the only clarification I was making. And hence, when asked a question, it went beyond the CNRD department's supply, sir. So therefore, I have mentioned, sir, that already if you look at the entire aspect of social audit, there are 7,724 issues have been reported in the last 3 years. Again, I have been very clear on that. And respective departments, after the audit is done, the respective departments are informed and then they take necessary action on whatever needs to be done. If it's a financial irregularity, or if there's a quality issue, or if there's a supply issue, whatever the issue may be there, the concerned department and then takes the action. And therefore that information again is not available with the minister. And of course, because it is beyond the scope in the sense it goes very large, sir. We don't have all the aspects. But as I said, sir, issues of job cards come up, issues of irregularities of muster roll, delay in wage payment. So all of these issues come out in the social audit, which are, most of them are resolved at the department level, sir. Reported, and as I had mentioned, 1,491 actions taken report have been uploaded in the MG and NRGS MIS. So it is made publicly available. So there are two aspects to social audit. One is the central government's requirement and mandate as per the different acts and the different schemes, the different schemes that are there. And that's what the Honorable Minister just replied to. And then they need to be audited. But in the year 2017, Meghalaya enacted its own act called the Meghalaya Community Participation and Public Services Social Audit Act. And based on this particular act, multiple schemes were taken into consideration for social audit across different departments. So while in the beginning, the social audit was done by an agency or a society called MSAT, which is the Meghalaya Society for Social Audit and Transparency, which was formed in 2014. This state act came in, and once the state act came in, sir, other schemes of the government of Meghalaya and the government of India have been slowly and steadily being included in the social audit procedure. As I mentioned, sir, there are food and civil supplies, so that is being audited, sir. Education department, the PM Poshan, the Samagra Shiksha scheme of education department, the Pradhan Mantri Awas Yojana, urban of the urban affairs department, the blue revolution of the fisheries department, the revamped district distribution sector scheme of the power department, the Jal Jeevan Mission of the Public Health Engineering Department, the Meghalaya Livelihood and Forest Ecosystem Management Project of the Meghalaya Basin Management Agency, health institutions of the health and family welfare, and so on and so forth. So there are many schemes, and as it happens, we continue to include more and more schemes, because sir, at the end of the day, the social audit, the objective is really to make the accountability there. And if there is any aspect of course correction that needs to be done, that correction is done through these interventions. So social audit is a very, very important aspect, because it is mostly done by the beneficiaries. A lot of the beneficiaries are also part of the social audit process. And this MSAT society that we've created is an independent agency in society where independent directors are there, sir. So this process is a very, very well balanced and a process that creates accountability. And because of this accountability that is there, you actually end up seeing the implementing agencies performing better, because they know that they will be audited. So it's a very robust, I should say, mechanism of creating a very strong accountability in the system. And that is why, as I said, government has gone beyond. In fact, sir, we are one of the few states in the country that actually funds the MSAT and the social audit through our own fund. Approximately close to 5 crores is budgeted every year for social audit to be conducted, sir. And very, very few states in the country, I will not be wrong in saying, sir, we may be 1 or 2 in the country that actually fund separately to conduct social audit from the state's own budget, sir.
Auditing are as below. The Viksit Bharat Guarantee for Rozgar and Ajivika Mission, Grameen, BB Ramji. B. Pradhan Mantri Awas Yojana, Grameen, PMAYG. C. National Social Assistance Program, NSAP. And D. Pradhan Mantri Adas Gram Yojana, PMAGY. Sir.
Your supplementary.
Thank you, Mr. Speaker, sir. I would like to thank the Honorable Minister in charge of CID Department. So I would like to ask the Honorable Minister whether social auditing is being conducted regularly in every year in all the CID blocks of the state, as prescribed under the respective schemes.
So, may I request again the Honourable Member to repeat?
Okay. Whether social audit is being conducted regularly every year in all the CID blocks of the state.
There are 17 schemes. Again, I'm confusing, sir. I'm hearing about the
Honorable MLA is asking whether you have regular social auditing done, whether it is annually or
around 70,000 audits conducted last year, sir.